Hey, friends and neighbors. Wanted to show you this Volcano, smooth finish. The grain on this turned out pretty cool. I was happy with that. And you got this bird's eye on the bottom, a braided stainless band around the mortise, black ebonite for the stem. This pipe is 5 inches in length. It weighs 2 ounces. There's a lot of briar here. But with the shape of it, it's still a comfortable smoker. You got an 1.5 inch deep of chamber, and it's 20 millimeter diameter. So nice, generous chamber. Make a good long smoke. This one is available on my website, so if you want to have a better look at it, you're welcome to do that. www.pbhbp.com. Thanks for looking. Have a great day, all.